Hi, this is Shubhangi. Today we are going to start with the topic of admission of partner. Before that, I will request you guys, please do subscribe and like my channel, and please click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. So here we are going to start with the topic of admission of partner. Admission of partner, why we required admission of partner? Admission of partner is required by all partners because they want to grow their business, they want to earn more profit, but they don't have a sufficient capital to invest in the business. For that purpose, they can bring the capital as well as bring the partner in the firm, so that they can use their additional capital in the firm and they can grow their firm, and the profit is more if they if their capital is increase as well as their profit will be increased. Okay, so for risk sharing is divided by amongst three partners. Before entering the third partner, the risk is sharing between two old partner or existing partner, but after admitting the new partner, the risks will be shared with third partner. So to reduce the risks and to earn the more profit, they require to admission of partner. So what is the process of admission of partner? The process is they make a new agreement, partnership deed, and in that the terms and clause are mentioned in that agreement, and the main purpose is the sharing ratio and how much capital the new partner will bring with him. So this is the main purpose of admission of partner, and this is the main procedure of admission of partner. Okay, so do you get it? So we are here discuss, like I am giving here example. AB are firms, partnership firm, these are the old firms. They mutually decided to enter the new partners in the business. So they enter a new partners in the business. So main motto is that their profit sharing ratio is changed. Old partners, profit sharing ratio is changed. How this change is happened? This change is happened like this. If they are sharing 1:1 ratio, after incoming partners entered in the business, their ratio is, they mutually decide give him 1/4 share in future profit. Okay, so ABR mutually decided that they will give a 1/4 share of profit in future profit. So 1/4 share get by C just because the old partner are sacrificing their share. Okay, so in the partnership, in the admission of firm, you will make sure that एक का प्रॉफिट दूसरे का गेन, एक का प्रॉफिट दूसरे का गेन, the both the old partner are sacrificing their share. Means before incoming partners entered in the business, or before new partner incoming in the business, they are sharing 1:1 ratio. Means out of profit they get 50%, A will get 50% and B will get 50% before entering the new partner. So after entering the new partner, their share ratio is going to be changed. Means before that they are sharing 1:1 ratio. After coming C in the firm, they sharing 1:1. So of course their share is reduced now. Their share is reduced. Means what does it means? That all partners are sacrifice their share to get a new partner in the firm. So we have to. So here we are going to start how we calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. So I am here going to explain you how will we calculate new profit sharing ratio. Please excuse me for this. Okay. So ABR partners, sharing ratio 3:2, and C admitted and give him 1/4 share in future profit. So AB are the partnership firm, they admitted C in the business and they decided they will share their 1/4 share to in future profit. So how we will calculate? Here I am going to explain you how we will calculate this ratio. So here we are going, for first step you had to calculate out of balance of 1. Now what do you mean by balance of 1? Balance of 1 means total profit of firm is 1. We consider 1 is constant. We consider 1 as a total profit of firm less new partners share in business. You can say business of firm, one and the same thing. So 1 minus the new partner share is 1/4. Okay. So here we cross multiply this and we'll get 3/4. Okay. So this is the remaining share. So after giving 1/4 share to the C, whatever the ratio is left for whatever the share is left for the existing partner or old partners. Okay. So here we calculate new profit sharing ratio for A, B and C. So new profit sharing ratio the formula is A old ratio multiply remaining share in profit. So old ratio is before new partner coming in the business, the old ratio for AB is 3:4, 3:2. Like 3/5, how it's come 3:2. First you have to add this 2, 3 plus 2, so total 5. So this is total profit of 5. A get 3 and B get 2. So 3/2 multiply 3/4. We have to directly multiply this 9/20. This is for A. Now this is for B. So 2/5 multiply 3/4. So it gets 6/20. Now C share is 1/4, which is already given in the example. C is sharing 1/4 of shares. So here I want to same the denominator. So for this I have to multiply by 5. Okay. You did not multiply, only one 5 is there. If you multiply by 5, so another you have to multiply by the 5. Okay. So we have to same the all denominators. So 5 divided by 20. So the new ratio is 9:6:5. So here we get 9:6:5 the ratio for partners. Okay. So this is the concept of new profit sharing ratio in admission of partner. Now I will explain you the sacrifice ratio. It will take only 2 minutes. Okay. So how we calculate the sacrifice ratio? Who is going to sacrifice their share? Yes, A and B are sacrifice their share. The existing partner are sacrifice their share to get a new profit shares, new profit share in new partners. Okay, to get a new partners a share, so A and B have to sacrifice their shares. So for example, so here same example, how we calculate the sacrifice ratio? We calculate sacrifice ratio like this only. So sacrifice ratio, the formula is old ratio minus new ratio. These ratios formula is given in the textbook also. Okay, so you can read out from the textbook as well. Okay, so old ratio is 3:2. So 3/5 and the old partner is A and B. These are the existing partner of the business. So A or B are sacrificing their shares. So sacrifice ratio will be calculated between the existing partners only. Okay, so 3/5 and the new ratio is 9/20. I am just going to cross multiply this. 20 multiply 100, 23 is 60, 9 5 is 45, so I'll get 15/100. So 3 now the old ratio for 2/5 multiply 6/20. So here again I'm getting cross multiply this 40 and 30, so 10/100. So 100 will be common LCM, so 15/10. So 3:2 AB sacrifice ratio. Okay, so I am going to explain, as I am going to explain their new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio. So for this purpose of admission of partner, we required both the ratios, the sacrifice ratio and new ratio, for calculation of goodwill and for calculation of profit. Okay, hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Okay, thank you so much.